Welcome back to Urban Builder Guide. In today's video, we're diving deep into total station and GPS surveying, two of the most essential tools in modern land and construction surveying. Whether you're a student, engineer, or just curious, this complete guide will give you everything you need to know. A total station is an electronic instrument that combines an electronic theodolite with an electronic distance meter, EDM. It measures both horizontal and vertical angles, as well as slope distances from the instrument to a particular point. Formula on screen, it uses trigonometry and EDM principles to compute coordinates of points with high accuracy. Data is stored digitally and can be transferred directly to CAD software. To use a total station, set up the instrument on a tripod and level it. Enter coordinates or station data. Sight the prism reflector on the point to be measured. Capture the reading and store it. Tips on screen. Always calibrate the device. Avoid direct sunlight interference. Secure the tripod firmly GPS. Surveying uses signals from satellites to determine the location of points on the Earth's surface. Unlike traditional tools, it can operate over long distances and in remote areas. Types of GPS use: static GPS, high accuracy; real-time kinematic, RTK GPS; differential GPS, DGPS. GPS determines position using trilateration, measuring the time delay of signals from at least 4 satellites to calculate X, Y, and Z coordinates. Formula on screen. Distance equals time delay, times speed of light distance equals time delay, times speed of light. Note, clear skies and low interference are essential for accuracy. Both tools have their strengths. Let's compare. Feature Total Station GPS. Surveying with total stations and GPS is critical in road and bridge layout, topographic mapping, property boundaries, pipeline construction, earthwork volume calculations. Whether you use a total station or GPS system, mastering these tools is essential for every civil engineer and land surveyor. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more civil engineering insights. Which surveying tool do you prefer, total station or GPS? Tell us in the comments.